You're back in Kyle's kitchen, and today we're gonna make my favorite dessert. So first of all, you're gonna want to put your smallest jet on the lowest heat, and then whack half a block of unsalted butter in. And then you're supposed to have even amounts of milk chocolate and dark chocolate, but oh well. And then you're just gonna break up all of that chocolate into the pan, just little pieces, every single last bit of it. Use as much chocolate as you want, but you might need some more butter if you're using too much chocolate. You also need to constantly stir it to make sure nothing burns. Don't forget, if it is burning, just take it off the heat. And then realistically, you can add whatever you want to that mixture, but I'm making Rocky Road, so we're adding some Brazil nuts, marshmallows, and digestive biscuits. So first you're going to want to crush some digestive biscuits up into there. You can have some chunky bits and some more powdery bits. Get a nice mix of textures in there. Next, roughly chop your nuts. Not your testicles. As you can see, they're currently pretty much whole, but we are going to be adding them like this. If it's too thick, add some more butter. I used way too much chocolate and I had to add loads more, so ignore that. It now looks like this. And now while it's back on the heat, we're gonna add a few of our marshmallows so that some of them can melt in there. Can you see these little bits of marshmallow mixing in now, melting in there? They're gonna be extra nice when it comes out. But yeah, guys, there you have it. If you're like me and you know how to cook but you're useless at baking, then this is the perfect dessert. It takes about 10 minutes to prep and then it just needs to set in the fridge for 2 hours. So all we need to do now is line a little container with some baking paper and then you can pour your mixture right in. And that is going to slap when it comes out of the fridge. And if you did want to add anything like melted white chocolate to the top or some chocolate chips, then go for it. But that's how to make a Rocky Road in 10 minutes or less. Disclaimer, this is not the cheapest recipe, but you will get a lot out of it.